tired of filling out the same information on every document? Let Dochub's autofill do the heavy lifting for you and reclaim your precious time. Dochub's autofill feature is a game-changer for anyone who regularly handles forms or documents. It smartly recognizes and remembers common fields, saving you from tedious manual data entry. Let's dive into how it works first. Open any document within Dochub that requires information to be filled, and you'll notice various fields like name, address, email, and more. To activate autofill, look for the autofill icon, usually found in the toolbar or within the document editing options. Clicking this icon signals Dochub to start scanning for applicable fields. Dochub intelligently analyzes the document structure when it identifies a common field, like a full name box or an email address field. It will automatically suggest or input the information it has previously saved for you. Imagine filling out a contract, a job application, or a client onboarding form in a fraction of the time. Autofill can pre-populate your name, your company's details, your contact information, and so much more. To maximize the power of autofill, ensure your profile within Dochub is up to date with your most commonly used information. This usually involves a dedicated section in your account settings where you can save and manage your personal details. Even if a field isn't automatically populated, you can often click on it, and depending on your settings, Dochub might prompt you to add the information to your autofill profile, further improving future efficiency. By leveraging Dochub's autofill, you're not just speeding through tasks. You're also reducing the risk of typos and errors, ensuring greater accuracy in every document you handle. So, the next time you face a mountain of paperwork, remember to unleash the power of Dochub's autofill and let it fill in the blanks for you. It's a simple yet incredibly effective way to boost your productivity. Embrace autofill. Embrace efficiency. Autofill Dochub efficiency.